Best hybrid cars for 2024, Toyota Camry Hybrid. In the realm of eco-friendly vehicles, the 2024 Toyota Camry Hybrid emerges as a top contender, offering a winning combination of fuel efficiency, reliability, and practicality. As the automotive industry continues to shift towards sustainability, the Camry Hybrid sets new standards for eco-conscious driving without compromising on performance or comfort. At the heart of the 2024 Toyota Camry Hybrid lies a sophisticated hybrid powertrain engineered to deliver impressive fuel economy without sacrificing power. The Camry Hybrid features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, producing a combined output of 208 horsepower. This powertrain is mated to a continuously variable transmission, CVT, providing smooth and seamless acceleration while optimizing fuel efficiency. With its hybrid technology, the Camry Hybrid achieves exceptional fuel economy ratings, making it an ideal choice for eco-conscious drivers looking to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing performance. Practicality and versatility are key attributes of the 2024 Toyota Camry Hybrid's design. The Camry Hybrid offers ample interior space, comfortable seating for up to 5 passengers, and a spacious trunk for luggage or groceries. Its sleek exterior styling, characterized by clean lines and aerodynamic contours, not only enhances its visual appeal but also contributes to its fuel efficiency. The Camry Hybrid's reputation for reliability and durability further adds to its appeal, making it a smart choice for families, commuters, and anyone seeking a dependable and efficient vehicle. Inside, the 2024 Toyota Camry Hybrid offers a comfortable and well-appointed cabin with a host of convenience and technology features. Premium materials, ergonomic design elements, and intuitive controls create a refined and inviting atmosphere for both drivers and passengers. The standard Toyota Safety Sense suite of driver assist features provides added peace of mind on the road, with features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Technology-wise, the Camry Hybrid is equipped with a range of connectivity and entertainment features to enhance the driving experience. The standard touchscreen infotainment system offers seamless integration with smartphones, allowing drivers to access navigation, music, and other apps with ease. Available upgrades include a premium audio system, wireless charging, and a Wi-Fi hotspot, providing added convenience and entertainment options for occupants. Competing in the hybrid car segment, the 2024 Toyota Camry Hybrid faces rivals such as the Honda Accord Hybrid, Hyundai Sonata Hybrid, and Ford Fusion Hybrid. Each offers its own blend of fuel efficiency, performance, and features, but the Camry Hybrid stands out for its proven reliability, comfortable ride, and strong resale value. In conclusion, the 2024 Toyota Camry Hybrid leads the charge in the hybrid car segment, offering a winning combination of fuel efficiency, reliability, and practicality. Whether for daily commuting or long-distance travel, the Camry Hybrid delivers an eco-friendly driving experience without compromising on performance or comfort, reaffirming Toyota's commitment to sustainability and innovation.